Hello friends, welcome to Health Buddy Natural channel. I am Dr. Kavita. Today's topic is how to reduce health expense by maintaining health. As we all know, nowadays increase in medical expense is a big worry for everybody. You all are interested to know how to maintain health. When we see different people are suffering from different illness, our mind searches solution. To avoid those illness, we can maintain health with the help of different things. Today I am going to explain you 4 important things. By following those 4 things, you can maintain your health and you can reduce your doctor's bill. First important thing, to maintain a proper daily routine. See, what is proper daily routine? If we keep balance between food, sleep, work and hobbies, this is a proper daily routine. We come to the work first. Suppose you are working 10 hours, 12 hours, maybe more to earn money. But if you are neglecting your health, what is the use? Because after an age, whatever you have earned, most part of that money will go in medical bills of the hospitals. So better you keep your working hours so that you need not to neglect your health too much. Other thing is food. To maintain a proper daily routine, food is also important. See, one should take food according to his or her profession and age. Suppose you are working whole day by sitting in a chair. So you need more protein and fiber diet instead of carbohydrate. So according to your profession, you need to choose how much protein you need, how much carbohydrate you need, how much nuts or fibers or minerals, etc. you need. So minerals and fibers you can get from fruits, vegetables. So you keep the balance of food according to your age and your working profession. What you want to eat and how much calorie you need. So keep your food as per your body need. Another important thing to maintain a daily routine is the sleeping hours. See, if you are an adult and working 8 to 9 hours in office or anywhere, you need 6 to 7 hours proper sleep. So reducing sleep or extra sleep, both are not good for the health. So maintain a proper balance of sleep, work, food and relaxation. Now we come to the relaxation. See, body and mind both needs relaxation. For body relaxation, you can do yoga, you can do some exercises or walking. For mind relaxation, you must do some pranayama, meditation or spend some time in a day, 1 or 2 hours in any of your hobbies like music, listening music or reading books, painting, whatever you like to do apart from your work. That thing you should do 1 or 2 hours in a day for mental relaxation. So this is a perfect balance between work, relaxation, food and sleep, which will give you a perfect daily routine. The second important thing to maintain health and reduce medical expense is to follow seasonal regimen. What is seasonal regimen? According to Ayurveda, in different season of a year, we get different dosha aggravations. As we all know, in our body, Vata, Pitta, Kapha, these 3 doshas are there. If these 3 doshas are in balance, it is health. If these 3 doshas are in imbalance, they will cause many diseases. So different season we have different dosha aggravation. We get different health conditions or ailments according to these dosha aggravations. For example, now rainy season is going on. In this season, Vata dosha gets aggravated. So we need to take food and maintain our lifestyle according to Vata dosha. For details about food and lifestyle in rainy season, we have already uploaded a video. You can see the hashtag and name of that video in our description below. We will also upload videos in different season to describe the diet and lifestyle of that particular season. For knowing that, you need to subscribe the channel by pressing subscribe button below and bell icon, so that you will know automatically when we have uploaded the new video according to the season. Now we come to the topic. By following diet and lifestyle according to season or ritu, you can maintain balance of doshas in body. Thus you can maintain health, so that you need not to expend too much money on doctors. Many of you wants to know about details of Vata, Pitta, Kapha and their role in body. For that we have published a small book. If you want to get that booklet, you can email on the email given below in description. The third important thing to maintain health and reduce the health expense is to follow the diet and lifestyle according to your body type and mind type. As per Ayurveda, each and every person has a unique body type and unique mind type. Your body type and mind type gets decided at the time of conception of your being in mother's womb. So by birth it is decided, so you cannot change your body type and mind type in whole life, but you can change your food and lifestyle according to your body type and mind type. For your information, I will say here, for example, Vata body type means more air element. So the Vata body type people should take more warm, freshly cooked food to avoid the side effect of Vata in their life. In the same way, Pitta body type. Pitta body type means more fire element. So they should take more cooling food and should avoid spicy and fried food to maintain their health. Kapha body type means more earth and water element. So they should take more hot but light food and should avoid high calorie food. Light food means which is not heavy in calories, because Kapha body type is earth and water elements, already little heaviness is there in the body. This is a general outline. See, body type is not always pure Vata, pure Kapha, pure Pitta. Body types are mixed also, Vata, Pitta, Pitta, Kapha, Kapha, Vata, or all three doshas included. In general, we have all three dosha in body, but one dosha is dominant in our body type, or two dosha is dominant. Accordingly, we decide the body type. There are many criteria to decide body and mind type. You must consult a good Ayurvedic doctor near to you to know your body type and mind type. For explaining the detail in about food and lifestyle according to different body types and mind type, we are going to upload another video. And as I said before, you need to subscribe the channel to know when we have uploaded that video, because that is a big topic which cannot be covered in this video. Body type topic will be separately discussed in another video. In general, I will say, if you follow food and lifestyle according to body type and mind type, this is a third important thing to maintain your health and reduce doctor's expense. Now we talk about the fourth important thing. Fourth important thing is, if suppose you need to go to a doctor, then choose a naturopathy. It will reduce your expense. How, I will tell. What happens generally, many people, if they get some health problems, they go to a medical shop, chemist shop, and they will take anything whatever chemist suggests, without knowing the side effect of those medicines, without knowing the proper way to take those medicines, because they want to avoid the doctor's fees. But we should not do that, because you don't know the side effect of those medicines which may cause you a very heavy medical expense in future. Now you are reducing the doctor's fees, but that medicine which you have taken without prescription can cause big problems in future. So better to go to a qualified doctor. If you have to go to a doctor, please choose a parallel pathy like Ayurveda, naturopathy and yoga therapy first. Reason is, these pathies will be less expensive and least side effect. For knowing where to go for these pathies, you can easily search on Google, put your city name, then government Ayurvedic hospital or research center you can type. So you will get lots of addresses whichever available in your city. You will get proper consultation in these government research centers and hospitals of Ayurveda, yoga, and less price will be there for medicines. And suppose if you do not want to purchase medicine, at least you will get proper diagnosis from Ayurveda point of view, from yoga point of view. Yeah, you can think Ayurvedic medicines are equally expensive, but you will not get much side effects. If you think equally expensive but least side effects, so you can compare which is better. The plus point in Ayurvedic medicine, you will get number of choices in medicine companies. In chemical medicines, you go to chemist shop, whatever chemist gives you, you have to take. But in Ayurvedic medicines, there are number of companies available in market. So you can choose according to your budget and according to your choice, which company medicine you like. So after taking those medicine, you will get less side effect and expense will also less in other way also. Generally Ayurveda doctor do not write too much laboratory test like ultrasound, blood test, urine test, etc. Generally a good Ayurveda doctor will write you very necessary test only. You can see 3 important signs in a good doctor. First is Ayurveda doctor will tell you body type. Second sign is he will do pulse diagnosis, Nadi Pariksha we say in Hindi. So this pulse diagnosis is not general pulse counting. It is a special science of Ayurveda for diagnosis your dosha imbalance and ailments. Third sign is the Ayurveda doctor will definitely write a diet chart according to your illness and body type, which is very important to maintain health. So in this way, by choosing a natural or parallelopathy, you will reduce your health expense and you can maintain your health for long time. These 4 important things anybody who follows in life will need to go least to doctors. If you have any questions regarding health or suggestions regarding video or any new subject to make video, that all things you can write us in the community tab or in the comment box. Many of you saying questions regarding treatment of any disease you are suffering from. So we request you, please email the whole case history and we'll reply you accordingly. Mainly we give diet related and lifestyle related suggestions through email. But in a special condition, if you want online consultation or you want to register for our any medical camp which is going to organize nearby your city, then you can register your name through email. Many of you want to become your own doctor. You want to take care of your own and your family people's health. For that purpose only we have made an online Ayurveda course. In that course we teach you how to maintain health with the help of lifestyle and diet and other changes, and that will make you sufficiently strong to take care of yourself and your family. If you want to register for that online course, you can email us. If you are interested to read health related books, we have already given the link of the books in the description, so you can get that book either in the ebook format or in the paperback format. So see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.